Hi there, and welcome back to another Papetti Math YouTube video tutorial where I'm going to be teaching you, yes, you, Algebra 1. And in this video, we're going to be looking at exercise number 3, which shows the difference in zero and negative exponents and the importance of using parentheses. Because if you're looking at exercise number 3 on my screen right now, or in your book, simplify each of the following powers using the rules of negative and zero exponents. And if you look at part A and B together, you'll see that it says 2x all to the 0, while part B says 2x to the 0. And then parts C and D go together because that first one says 2x all to the negative third, and part D says 2x to the negative third. The parentheses are what's making these two different, but the parentheses do make it quite a different answer. Because in this first one, this entire base is 2x. So this entire expression is being raised to the power 0. So the solution here, or simplifying this, you're going to get 1, because this whole thing to the 0 power, well, anything to the 0, is going to be equal to 1. So in part B, we look at that, and that's really 2 times x to the 0. So the 0 exponent in this exercise is only connected to the base of x and not 2. So x to the 0 is going to give you a solution of 1. So now we have 2 times 1, which is 2. So in part A again, the entire thing was being raised to the power 0. So that gave us a simplification of 1, while in part B, we simplified it to be 2, because it was 2 times x to the 0. So different answers just by adding those parentheses in a different spot. Now looking at part C on exercise 3, we have 2x all to the negative third. So this is really over 1, and our rule for negative exponents is to take the reciprocal of it and make the power positive. So we have 1 over 2x to the third. And now we could simplify the denominator here by distributing this, because this is a power of a product, which we looked at in lesson 1. And that's going to be 1 over 2 to the third, which is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. And then x to the third. So this is 1 over 8x to the third. Whereas in part D, now we take those parentheses away, this really says 2 times x to the negative third. So this negative third exponent is only connected to the x. So this is over 1. So this really says 2 times 1 over x to the third. So we're only taking the reciprocal of what's connected to the negative exponent here. So this is really 2 times 1. When we multiply across, we get 2. And 1 times x to the third is x to the third. So simplified, this is 2 over x to the third. Do we see a large difference between parts C and D? All because of parentheses? So parentheses are going to be quite important when we move forward with zero and negative exponents. Any part of math for that matter, parentheses are very important. So if this video was helpful in letting you see the difference in how parentheses affect your solution, then give this video a thumbs up. And you're now ready for exercise number 4. Thank you for watching.